Welcome to Khetz tutorials, and in this video I'll be covering question 55 from A exercises in James Stewart calculus. So this is our question. So now we are asked to find the solution to this, and this is quite simple. We know that the absolute value of A, or any expression, is either the expression itself or the negative of that expression. So in this case, this is what we have, and this is what we're supposed to solve. On this side, we can just simply give this as our answer. On this side, we're going to divide everything by -1. And if you divide inequalities by a negative number, then these signs have to change. So this is our result now. And from this point, we can then flip this around so that it makes sense, and it should look something like this. Now our answers, so if you combine these two answers, then we'd have x is an element of -4 to -1, as well as, so union 1 to 4, and we have the square brackets because we're including these. So we have the equal to over there, and we have to use the square brackets.